Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Farcana token. Ticker symbol is FAR, F-A-R. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 23rd. We're going to go over the information on the Farcana token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing. So they have a Twitter right here. I'm going to put on the screen. And on this Twitter, there's a couple brand new announcements. One of them's in the pinned tweet, I believe, talking about how this token will be listed January 23rd, 10 a.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Bybit. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Bybit account, all you would have to do is download Bybit from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol FAR, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy, but you'll have to wait, obviously, until January 23rd here. So they have tons of Medium articles. If you want to go through their Medium articles, just head over to farcana.medium.com. This is a very well-established project. They have something called Farcana Labs. So Farcana Labs is a laboratory that conducts research in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data mining for the gaming industry, as well as various applications in bioinformatics, engineering informatics, social informatics, and related areas. So Farcana Labs emerged as a scientific spin-off from the Global Farcana Project, which is a gaming metaverse to utilize huge amounts of data from gamers, as well as bring new technologies to the Farcana game and metaverse. Now, if you go to their webpage, you're going to find tons of gaming information and stuff like that about their gaming metaverse. Now, the best way to find all the info on this project is, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. I said there's the Bybit listing announcements on this Twitter. But you'll also see on this Twitter that there is a full link tree there. See how many followers they have, too, on the Twitter. Very well-established project. 206,000 Twitter followers. It says, Farcana is a multiplayer third-person hero shooter by a Web3 economy. But then they also have other things involved, like the labs and whatnot, but you'll see a huge list of all the things in their Medium articles that they go over, and they have a like 30-something page white paper. It's a DocuSend, I believe, or a DocSend link. You can check that out on their webpage. It says this is backed by Animoca brands. You've probably heard of that before if you're into crypto. They collaborate with lots of crypto projects. So on this link tree here that you're going to find on their Twitter, there's the website, Twitter, Discord, white paper that I just mentioned, Telegram chat, Telegram announcements, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Medium articles, LinkedIn, Reddit, and TikTok. They have so much information there. So the labs, the Farcana Labs, developed and adopted techniques that help to get into the gaming reality completely. Also, the track simulator and VR boots will make the player do active movements, which in combination with the virtual adventures will force the endorphin output. Like, they have some crazy stuff that they're working on here. VR boots. I don't even know if I've ever seen VR boots, but obviously they're going to come out with VR boots, right? Moreover, communication with other players provokes the oxytocin output, which is crucial in the process of shaping feelings of private safety and anxiety mitigation. The current aim of the gaming developments is to enhance the effect of the level of players' aggressiveness caused by games and expand their performance. Modern gaming is not just about having a good time, it's also about reducing the level of stress. So that's like some of the stuff that they're working on. They talk about this Dr. Dimitri, who is the head of Farcana Labs, and he has got over 10 years experience, 27 patients, 200 scientific articles. So now Farcana Labs is developing a few key projects that will shape the Farcana game and the gaming industry as a whole, providing a brand new experience for players. So they're going to have a metaverse coach. So they're also going to have an e-game voice assistant, artificial intelligence procedural music, immersive technologies, and yeah, and more. So, I mean, you can find all these cool articles here on their Medium, and you also can learn about NFT lands. So this is going to be a whole gaming metaverse project, and of course there's going to be NFTs, there's going to be land ownership, you know, the characters, the outfits, all that stuff will be like NFTs. You're going to have the in-game token. And then they have, like, if you want to review, because this project, obviously over 206,000 Twitter followers, very well established project, endless articles. You can go over the whole article about Farcana 2023, a year in review, and they go over all the things that they've done. Now, if you go to their webpage, you can find info about the game. So just go to farcana.com. You're going to find the game, Stars and Guns, the story of the game, the company. You can find blog articles. And then they talk about here, there's tournaments, there's esports stuff. There's the events, there's the shop. It says join. I'm guessing that just downloads the game. At the bottom of their page, you know, terms, service, careers, stay in touch, and they have their socials, stuff like that. But yeah, if you want to learn more about the game, head over to farcana.com. And if you want to get this token, it's getting listed January 23rd on Bybit. So check out this Twitter, check out the link tree, all their articles, check out the coin listing announcements there on the Twitter. Tons of info there. I mean, you could read about this project for hours, but very cool project. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out all the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.